I'm Adam Robinson Yu. I'm from Toronto, Canada, and I'm working on an Untitled paper adventure RPG. I started working on the game, originally I made it about 2 years ago. I was having a game jam with some friends, and we were all gonna work on a project for the weekend just to switch up what we were regularly working on. I guess I just wanted to make an RPG. Yeah, I'm definitely inspired by the Mario RPG series, like with the rhythm challenges and with the simple damage numbers, and kind of like maybe a cute vibe to the game as well. And I guess also the Pokemon type games that I'm inspired by, because I like that you can form a party. I'm inspired by the places that I go, so the cities I live in and the countryside that I is here, for example, and other places that I am. So usually when I'm making a level in the game, I'll think of some place in real life that I like or I think is interesting, and I'll want to put that in the game. So the game is an adventure RPG, so you can explore an overworld and talk to characters and solve kind of simple puzzles. And when you run into an enemy in the overworld, or if you attack them, it'll kind of transition into a battle mode in which you'll be able to do turn-based combat. So you'll be picking your attacks and the enemies will be attacking back, and there's going to be little mini games, or I guess rhythm challenges that you have to press when you're attacking that'll allow you to do more damage. Hopefully that adds a little bit more engagement to the battle system, and you're not just waiting for attacks to go by. You're engaged in every particular moment. I guess one of the unique things about the game that I want to try and do is make it so that all the enemies you face, you can recruit over to your side. So you can kind of build your party out of the enemies you face, I guess similar to Pokemon games. So you'll be able to, befriend the enemies either by trying to impress them with certain moves, or by feeding them their food, and some enemies will have favorite food that they'll be convinced with. So Stugan's been really great. Usually I work in my house at home, and it's a little bit it's a little bit isolating, a little bit lonely. So it's great to be here in an area surrounded by other people, creative, talented people. I guess I'm doing all of the work by myself, almost all of it. Some friends have drawn some characters for me, but I've been having to do the programming, and then the art, and the level design, and I guess the writing. And so it'd be nice to find people I can work with who are also multidisciplinary. So yeah, I guess I'm working alone right now, but it's kind of not ideal. It'd be nice to find someone I can share this project with, or or at least I can hire to help work with me. When I start building a level, I spend a long time at the beginning just setting up the lights, trying to get a lighting that creates interesting shadows, kind of lights all the sides of the objects in readable ways, and then also really sell whatever atmosphere I'm trying to build. And I guess yeah, that's something I guess I've just enjoyed doing, or I've been happy with, is trying to create interesting lighting and color schemes, and trying to create an atmospheric sort of look in my levels. A lot at the beginning of the game was me trying to figure out how I could take my doodles and the way that I draw, and make it present it in a way that looks I guess good. And that relied on me trying to figure out my doodling style or my drawing style, but also relied on me finding a whole bunch of effects that I can use to kind of spruce up the art and make it look nice in the context of the game. So I guess after Stugan, at least I want to keep working on the first chapter of my game. I think the stuff that I have planned out for it, I don't think I'll actually be able to finish while I'm here, but I want to kind of get that together and then see how the game flows from there, and then try and scope out the rest of the story. I'd be interested in maybe finding funding or a partner or something. So maybe either working with a publisher, or maybe doing a Kickstarter. Thanks for watching, and if you want to know more about my project, you can follow me on Twitter at AdamGRYU, or subscribe to the mailing list at my website, adamgryu.com. And thanks so much. See you later.